What's going on, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little restoration project. We're going to work on the daily driver. The window frames are starting to rust, and I want to get them fixed before it gets worse. So let's check it out, and I'll show you what I'm working with. If you can see around the window frame, this side's not too bad. But as you can see, starting to get a little rust. The other side is a good bit worse. So we'll walk around and check that out. So you can see that. We're going to try to fix that today. That along with the mirrors, I think. We're going to fix the mirrors too. What we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of sandpaper, as you can see here. A couple different grits of sandpaper, heat gun, and some trim and bumper paint. So let's see how that goes. See if we can't get this fixed. Passenger side is done. I think it turned out pretty good. If you notice in the video, I used the heat gun to try to help it you know, kind of dry between coats. I did notice that it has a tendency to texture a little more when you hit it with the heat gun, so I tried different distances away from it, just to try to get it to, you know, tack up and dry a little bit, but I think it turned out fairly well. And then the last two coats, you know, I'm trying to let it dry a little more naturally, so maybe it'll smooth out as it goes, or as it dries. I will say that I don't really like how that sprays out. It comes out pretty fast, shoots out pretty good, but it's thin, so it's not like it doesn't mist like a normal paint does. So it seems like it shoots out thick, but it's actually rather thin. So several coats before I could even see that it was covering well. So we'll see how it does. A lot better than what it was before, so you know, we'll see how it goes. We'll move on to the driver's side and see if we can't get that one looking good. All right, so we got the driver's side done. I think it turned out fairly well. I did notice that the more coats you put on it, the more it's going to have a textured finish. Not the highest quality job, but it gets rid of the rust for now. And once this car is actually painted at some point, you know, then I'll worry about having a nicer finish, I guess you'd say. So I think it turned out really well. You know, for a couple hours of your time, make it look decent, and definitely get rid of that rust. Looks a whole lot better. Much, much better. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments down below, questions, and hit that notification bell on the subscription. And we will see you guys next time.
Perfect.